Kia ora. Ki te tino tohunga rawa atu te tohunga, māwai kē rā āna mahi e kawe, ka ngaro atu rā ia ki te wānanga rongo mai whiti a tāwhaki. I te ao kapa haka koia te pātai I pātaihia I te hurumututanga o Taini Morrison. Engari tērā pēr kua kimi hiake e Marissa Ball, te piki tūranga, arā ko tana tamāhine a Miriama.
She was not only, a leader or role model to all, but she was definitely a great mother to me and my brother, and a nanny to her mokos. She loved her mokos dearly, and her family. She loved family, her whānau and her friends.
Haka tēnei moana toini. Oh, tanai whahia!
Most would remember Te Arawa Kapa haka legend Taini Morrison for her long blonde hair, unique and captivating style. But for her moko, the memories are simple.
She buys us some lollies. She takes up somewhere. She takes me to school at Kainareo. And she takes me to a primary school. And we like to stay in haka. And she buys us some pie when we go to the class.
The kids are equally proud of their mum, Miriama.
Mum, like some doing gardens and over there.
She may be the gardener to them, but to the rest of Māoridom, she is the Kapa haka queen, winning the award for Best Female Leader at the prestigious Te Matatini o Te Rā Kapa haka Festival this year. But her mum is never too far from her thoughts.
All I could think of was Mum, and the first time when she won it in Takaparawa 2000, just seeing her drop to the ground and just all that sort of floated back in memories of her winning, and it was a real emotional time for me.
Her rōpū te Matarai Iore, who tutored by Wetini Mita Ngātai, won first place overall at the prestigious event.
Wetini is such an amazing man. He's a creative man. He's just on a different level to everyone else. Just his amazing, everything about him is amazing, from his performance to his creativity. So he's just an amazing person. And being a part of the group too is just a bonus.
Another bonus of having an exceptional performance ability is gaining recognition for your talents.
The award is Te Taonga Awaiti. It's an award recognising her excellence in all facets of the performing arts and in all facets of Te Arawa leadership. Kia ora.
The Matariki night was celebrating up-and-coming Te Arawa women in their fields. I was lucky enough to get the Supreme Award for what I do, which was getting it for the leadership. And that was an honour and a privilege as well to be able to be acknowledged as a performer, as a leader. And there were just some awesome people there as well that were acknowledged that night. So it was an awesome evening.
Whilst not one to sing her own praises, others were more than happy to. And it doesn't stop there. Her leadership qualities extend to local schools in Rotorua.
The kura we take as our kura, Te Wharekura o Ngāti Rongomai and Rotorua Lakes High School. We've combined and we've decided Tuki Te Rangi named our rōpū itirearea. And I was privileged to be able to help Tuki Te Rangi out with this kaupapa, not only myself but his wife Renata, to be able to take this rōpū.
Go. Looking around, have a good look. Good. Teeth, go. Good.
I just helped where I could. Tuki needed me to create a poi, so I would do that. If he needed me to just help with some actions or anything, I'll just be there to help him out. Yeah, it was a great experience for me too.
A shared experience between Miri and her mum that resonates in her teachings.
I do, because I remember going to a lot of her practices with when she was taking Rotorua Girls High School or Rotorua Primary. Yeah, so I'm definitely sort of filling in her shoes a bit. It sort of wasn't meant to happen like that, but it's just happened. So yeah, I feel her a lot around me. She'd always tell me, you know, there was 3 main things that she always told us, and that was to be strong, be proud of who you are, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't do anything. I always remember those words. Yeah.
Yes, Cousin Tiny would be extremely proud of her children, Miriama and Whare, as indeed we all are.